Hello, in this video, I will show you another installation of Audio Center Column PA system for MOS. Welcome to AVM Project Department. Here we will share you the project undertaken by us or even with collaboration with our dealers or reseller to make the project successful. If you have doubt on our product, doubt on our brand, or doubt on AVM, this project maybe is a good reference to you to make up your mind. So after installing the same system to Sultan Ahmad Shah Al-Hajj Mosque in Pekan Pahang and also Al-Imam Al-Shafi'i Mosque in Taman Maluri, Kuala Lumpur, so client, especially among the mosque community, is very pleased and confident on our product and our capability for both AVM and our dealers in solving their problem in the mosque. This project will take us to Pahang in Kuantan, the Balok Makmur Mosque. With a collaboration with our dealers, Sir Alpha, we undertake this project with high confidence that we can perform the similar magic solution from the previous two projects. It all started when our dealer approached us with the problem that is faced by the mosque, which is the same. The high reverberation inside the internal building is because of the building structure of a typical mosque. We went for the same solution, the Audio Center L65 plus the L65A system. They're able to control the direction of the audio to where I intended to the same mosque. So this is very important for us because if we can control the audio directivity, then we can reduce the audio that's sent to the wall or ceiling. Because wall and ceiling is the place where the audio is being reflected, and this is the causes of the reverberation in the hall. As explained in the previous video, the L65 has a 4 tweeter which can produce a smooth high frequency that the traditional column system not able to produce. The low frequency produced by the low mid woofer, which is the 5-inch woofer, is also better than your traditional column system. So overall, this column system will be able to give you a better quality in terms of a higher frequency and lower extended low mid frequency than your traditional column system. To ensure the best installation for the best coverage of this venue, I was given information by the dealers of the venue size and also possible the hanging position that I can choose and the possible height that I can hang on this system. So with this information, I can work out the best possible height, best possible location to install this speaker so that I can have the best coverage and the less audio directivity to the wall and ceiling. This is a very important step because this is where I can determine the location for the best coverage and best location that I can reduce the audio to be directed to the wall and the ceiling, and hence reducing the reverberation of the venue. With the simulation software, which is the EaseFocus software, I can work out 1,000 kind of possibilities in terms of location and height. And from there, I can determine the best possible installation position for the system. Once it was done, then the result of this simulation, I can pass to the dealer and installer. So when they are on site, when they are doing the installation, they just follow on the location stated by the simulation results, the exact location, the exact height, and the exact pinhole to fly the system. It is that simple. There's no guessing game on the pan angle, on the tilt angle, and the location. When the installer is on site, it just follow whatever we have been done with the simulation. The feedback from our installer and the end user is quite promising. This is what they have been telling us. A lot of praise from the end users regarding the sound quality. So here is the result. Let's have a look on the photos that being shared to us. Okay, this is a final result which have been hanged. As you can see, there's a flybar on top of it with a lot of holes. So this is according to what we have been suggested to the installer on the exact pinhole to be fly, and then it automatically will tilt to the desired angle for the best coverage. So this is our installer which posing with the equipment. Of course, you can see this is the L65A, the amplifier for each of the column. So you need the amplifier to power the column, and this come with a DSP. So you have this processing, limiter, equalizer, all being done in the factory. So this is our installer with the end users, which just now they feedback to us that they praise the sound system, which they are very satisfied with the system. Now let's go to the video that being shared by our installer to us. Wow, that was quite a long video, but hopefully you get the idea on how the system performs. Even though the video quality that being shared to us is low resolution and compressed by the WhatsApp, but I hope that you can get some idea. So if you love our video, please share to other people. If you need our professional service, you can contact us from our website or even throughout all our salesperson that you can find in the WhatsApp below. So that's it for today, and I will be seeing you again in the next project reference video. Bye bye.